Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the brick penny bun patty burger in Harttopia. So right now Harttopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can cook many new special food. One of them is brick penny bun patty burger. And to cook this food, first you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock it, it's very easy. First just go to your brick serving card like this, that you can craft it at your workbench, and then just tap on it. And then I just choose this patty burger recipe as the original. And you can get this original recipe from the NPC Masimo. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need wheat and then patty that you can buy it from the Massimo, and then just replace the mushroom ingredients with penny bun like this, and then after that just simply tap on start cooking. And okay, just like that you will unlock this brick penny bun patty burger recipe, and the recipe will be added to your collections automatically like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.